friends, welcome to Priyanka Art Creations. Today's video is about how to make beautiful Kondapalli house and Kondapalli dolls with simple procedure. Only papers are used for making these dolls and house. It is very easy to make in this lockdown time. So without any delay, let's start the video. Now join 5 mm 170 strips. Here I am using A4 size papers. Now take a piece of paper and make a small roll as shown in the video. Here I am making hut, Kondapalli hut. Apply glue and make a small roll. Its centimeter is 7.5 centimeter. Stick it the roll like this. Make 28 rolls and stick it on the paper. It is 7.5 centimeter. And apply glue around the rolls as shown in the video. Apply glue neatly more. Now connect the rolls like this and make in a heart shape. Apply glue neatly and make in a heart shape neatly. Hold it for some time. It will take some time to dry. Let it dry for some time. Make it neat and fast. After drying, it will be like this. Now join 5 mm 150 strips and make a dome shape as shown in the video. Make a deeper dome. It will be the upper part of a hut. Here I am making Kondapalli house along with dolls. Now upper part is completed. Apply glue. Apply more glue and spread it neatly with the brush. Then it will give more secure to our dolls. Apply neatly. It will take more time to dry. Let it dry for some time and make some marks on the house like this. Now take acrylic colors and paint on a hut like this. You can use directly color papers also if you don't have color paints. It is up to you. You can use A4 size papers or color papers. Now I have completed the hut painting. Now color the chocolate color around the hut like this and color the black color in the middle part of the hut. Now paint a yellow color. Now paint a brown color on the upper part of hut like this. After drying, just make small marks with the yellow color paint like this as shown in the video to give a Kondapalli hut look like this. Now hut will dried. Now I have painted some designs around the hut like this to give a nice look and Kondapalli house real look like this. It is looking super cute. Now apply glue on the around the dome and connect on the upper part of the hut like this. Connect securely, connect neatly. After connecting, it will be like this. Now hut is completed. It is looking super cute. Now join 10 mm 10 strips. Here I am making well, village style well. Here I am making village style well of Indian style. Make a 10 strips with the same procedure. Make another 2 rolls also. 10 mm 10 strips 10 strips 10 strips like this 3 rolls. Now apply glue and connect one by one as shown in the video. Apply neatly and connect one by one. Here I am using A4 size papers for making this Kondapalli house set. You can use color papers and quilling strips also. It is up to you how to use it. Now I have secured this roll with white paper to give nice look. Now paint the well with the chocolate color paint. Complete it neatly. After completing, it will be like this. Now middle part of the well is completed. Now take a small rolls and connect on the side parts like this. Now attach on the upper part of this roll like this. Apply glue and connect this roll on the upper part like this. Now I have made small with the paper for the holdings for making wheel. Join 3 mm 8 strips of 2 tight coils. Join 3 mm of 4 strips of small tight coil in middle and insert pipe and connect to it. Now again join 3 mm 18 strips. Here I am making bucket, small miniature bucket for well and make a dome shape. Now take a 3 mm paper strip and apply glue and roll it like this. Wrap like this. Take one strip and wrap like this. After make it will be the hanging for the bucket like this. Apply glue and connect like this. Now bucket is ready. Paint the bucket and paint the well. After painting it will be like this. Now bucket is also ready. It is looking super cute. Now take a thread and knot the bucket like this as shown in the video. Now connect the thread on the middle part of the wheel like this. Apply glue and connect the thread. Then we can roll it like this. We can take out the bucket like this. Now well is ready. Join 5 mm 20 strips of each tight coil. Make total 14 tight coils and apply glue and connect one by one. You can use 10 mm, 7 mm or 5 mm. It is up to you. It is depends upon the length of the tree. Here I am making Kondapalli tree. I have connected total 14 coils like this. Now join 5 mm 20 strips and make a little dome shape like this and apply glue and spread the glue neatly like this. Here I am making Kondapalli tree. Now take a piece of paper and connect these coils neatly with the piece of paper. After drying, connect this dome on the upper part of the tree like this. Connect neatly. Secure it neatly. After connecting, paint with the ash color as shown in the video. Here I am making tree. Now here I am making leaves for tree. Now take a piece of green color paper and just roll it like this as shown in the video, step by step. It will be give like a fan look. Apply glue and stick on the edge part like this. Now leaves are ready. Now cut in the middle part edge. Open it neatly and make a small roll and apply glue and connect these leaves in the inside the roll like this. It will be like small branches. With the same procedure I have made some more of total 10. Apply glue. Now I have decorated the tree with the black lines. Now connect these leaves around the tree as shown in the video. It will take some time to dry. When leaves are sticking, it will take some time. One by one stick it very well. After completing, it will be like this. It is also looking super cute. Now join 5 mm 23 strips and join 5 mm 20 strips. Apply glue and connect it like this. Connect total 9 tight coils like this. Here I am making Kondapalli dolls. Now total with the same procedure 8 coils, another coil. Now join 5 mm 12 strips and make a small dome shape like this as shown in the video and connect to the 8 strips coil. It will be the girl body. Now take a 23 strips of 5 mm and make a shed, make a dome shape. It will be the shed for Kondapalli doll of boy. Apply glue, let it dry for some time. Join 5 mm 20 strips and join 5 mm 25 strips and make a little dome shape as shown in the video. It will be the upper part of the lady doll. Apply glue neatly around the small do domes. Here I am using A4 size papers. Let it dry for some time. Now cover this coil with the paper. Now coils are ready. Now boy's body is ready. It will also very well dried. Now connect this shed part dome to the base body of boy Kondapalli doll like this. Connect it. Now take the two domes, small domes, and connect to the each other. It will be the middle part of dome of girl like this, connect it. Now base bodies is ready. Join 3 mm one strip, it will be the neck for dolls. Now connect the necks to the dolls like this as shown in the video. Here I am making Kondapalli dolls. Join 5 mm 3 mm 8 strips for black 3 mm and skin color 5 mm, and take a one coil line of skin color and make a dome shape. Now take a little dome shape, take another tight coil and make a little dome shape. Apply glue neatly around the domes and take a black color and make small dome. Apply glue around this black color tight coils also neatly. Now here I am making hair for doll. Join 5 mm 3 strips and make a hairstyle for the lady doll. Let it dry for some time. Now take back the base bodies of girl and paint the dolls as per the Kondapalli look. Here I am painting the red and green color combination saree, and here I am painting the boy doll also, and I have decorated the saree with. Now it has been dried. Now connect the domes like this as shown in the video. Now connect the another also. Now base head parts are ready. It will be the faces of doll. Now connect the hairstyle to the doll like this on the back side. Now I have connected ears and nose to the both the faces. Now here I am making hands. Take a small roll and make pinch with the finger as shown in the video. It will be the hands, and I have painted skin color. I have made total 4 hands for boy and girl. Apply glue and connect the hands as shown in the video. It will take some time. Let it dry for some time. After connecting, I have painted like this. Now here I am making legs for doll. Take a 5 mm paper strip and just wrap it as shown in the video. Just fold it neatly. Here I am making legs for Kondapalli dolls. Now legs are ready. Now I have connected the legs to both the dolls. Now I have painted facial expressions on the face as per the Kondapalli dolls looks. Now faces are ready. Connect the faces to both the dolls like this. Connect neatly. Now connect to the another doll also. It is looking like a real Kondapalli dolls. Now here I am making chata. Now cut on the 2 part of the edge part like this. Take a thicker paper for making chata. Now connect apply glue and connect like this and close it on the back side of the upper part like this. Now chata is ready. Paint the chata. Now place this chata in the hands of the doll like this. Now Kondapalli doll is ready. Now here I am making base for doll. Take a cardboard sheet and make a 4 rolls to give more secure look. Apply glue and connect on the paper as per your wish color combination is. You can use paper rolls and make it, but it will take some more time, so I have making with the cardboard. Now cut on the 4 edges as shown in the video. I have cut it on the 4 edges. Apply glue neatly and spread it neatly and brush it smoothly and paste it on the 4 edges. Now make a small step for house like this. Take a small cardboard piece and secure on the middle part. It will be the small steps for house. Take a 8 cm length of roll. Make total 2. Now take 20 cm length of roll. Make total 2. Now connect the two rolls like this. Now take a red color piece of paper and connect it like this with the Fevicol. After connecting, cut on the 4 edges. Now apply glue on the 4 edges and close it as shown in the video. Cover the 4 edges. After covering, it will be like this. You can make with the cardboard. It is optional. It is up to you how to make. And I have painted rangoli on the base to give a village style look, to give like a Kondapalli style look. Now connect these rolls like a side wall of the house as per Kondapalli doll looks. Now wall is also ready. It is looking super cute. Now hut is also ready. It is looking super cute. Kondapalli hut, Kondapalli tree. It is looking super cute like a real dolls. It's looking super cute. Now Kondapalli dolls also ready. Both the dolls. It is looking like a real Kondapalli dolls, but it has been made with the A4 size papers only. Only paper craft. Well is also ready. All the dolls are ready. Now we have to paste on the like this. After pasting it will be like this. It is looking super cute as a real Kondapalli doll. Minicare Kondapalli hut, village style house in a quilling model, in a paper model is ready. In this lockdown time you can make only with the, if you have only A4 size papers and gum, you can make easily with the in this lockdown time. It is looking super cute. Hope you all enjoy my video. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more interesting craft videos. Thank you friends. See you in the next video.